Hello and welcome to this review of SketchWow's new AI feature. You can see here there's an asset that I've used for my SketchWow Animate video, so you can view that here in the cards. Now with the new AI beta in SketchWow, you need to upgrade your software, but it doesn't cost you anything. There's no additional fee to pay. There's not an add-on that you have to buy and go through a refund if you don't like it. It's just there. However, you do need to connect your OpenAI account. So you've got to create an OpenAI account, got to put some credit in it, and then you need to connect the two. Now, there are instructions on how to do that. It's not very difficult at all. I'm not going to talk about how to do that, but I am going to show you it in use. So we click on SketchWow AI Beta and we can make flowcharts, visual summaries, mind maps, or infographics. So let's do a mind map on how to make, explain a video for YouTube. So there are some suggested prompts. You press those and they're just going to put something in the box, but I'm just going to click generate. Oh, that's really interesting. It failed to render the preview. So I'm going to click generate again. So it goes off to OpenAI. It's going to use some of your credit to populate and work things out. Here we are. So it has worked. So automatically it's done that. So when you create something with AI, particularly AI content, it's not the end, it's the start. It's the start thing that you should start from. So it does a lot of the hard work for you, but it's never going to be what you want. You always have to go and adapt it. So of course you can go and just adapt this and change this as you want, and you can click save. So I'm going to click create, and I don't want to do the SketchWow introduction. So if I click create, it takes it over here. It opens a new file in SketchWow and I can go and edit it to my heart's content. So I've saved that, and now I'm going to go to add page and I'm going to add new page, and I'm going to use AI. So I'm going to create a new page. I'm going to do an infographic. So I'm going to say, who are the biggest content creators on YouTube? Now, will we get a good infographic? That's quite a vague prompt, so hopefully we'll get a good response. Now, that's interesting because it's given me templates to use. So I'm guessing I have to pick the template I want for the infographic. So I think I'm going to go for that one, and let's see what happens. So it's put all that stuff into a template, and you know what? I think this is quite good. This would save me ages having to do this myself. So we've got Pugy, Dude Perfect. That's very good. I like that. So I'm going to click add page. Very useful. So I'm going to do another add page with AI. So we've done mind map and infographic. We're going to do flowchart. Best ways to script a YouTube video. Okay, so it's given us something: start, choose a topic, research content, write script outline, define key points, write dialogue, incorporate visual cues, decide on tone, review and edit, finalize, end. It's done it as a flowchart and it's done it from left to right, and I can't criticize that. Up here we can change certain things in bulk, which is quite nice. That's good. Oh, that's good. That's quite nice. I like that. So again, I'm going to add the page, and again, as I've said, this is a starting point, so you might want to start moving things around, changing topics, etc. I don't know what happens when things go off screen. So once things go off screen, I think we've lost them. When it puts all those things in left to right, it's not particularly good because some things are going to go off the page. There's probably a way to fix that in SketchWow. No, I think document size. I probably need to go to A4. No, so you may end up losing things. You might be able to get them back. I'm not going to fiddle with that today. So I'm going to add a new page from AI, and this time it's going to be a visual summary. Summarize the YouTube video creation process. Let's go. And again, we need to pick our template. So I quite like this timeline infographic. Now that looks really good, doesn't it? So I think that's going to save people a lot of time when they use something that's templated. So let's talk about conclusions. This is obviously a beta. It's great that you don't have to upgrade for it. you've got to put a little bit of credit into your OpenAI account, and you've got to create an OpenAI account if you want to use it. That's not difficult. It took a matter of minutes to sort all that out from start to finish. Occasionally, you're going to get things where it doesn't work because one, it's a beta, and two, it's connecting to OpenAI. So all you have to do is click generate again. And I've been pretty impressed with the outputs you get from them. And certainly they're going to speed up my workflow creating things. But as with all AI stuff, it's a start. It's not the end product. You'd be silly to use the AI generated stuff as an end product without editing it. If you like this video, do think about subscribing and do check out my other video about the new animation feature. Goodbye.